I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to quickly close all open tabs in Google Chrome on your Android device. Step 1. Open the Google Chrome app on your Android device and then click the Switch tab icon. The Switch tab icon looks like a square with a number in it. A screen opens where you can see all of your active tabs. Step 2. Tap the ellipses on this screen. A menu opens. Step 3. Tap Close All Tabs. A window pops up letting you know that if you move forward, your closed tabs and groups can be reopened from the Recent Tab section and the Tab Group section. Step 4. Tap Close All Tabs and Groups. All of your open tabs in Google Chrome will be closed immediately. And as an added bonus, let's walk through the steps to quickly close a single browser tab in the Google Chrome mobile app. Step 1. Navigate to the specific browser tab you want to quickly close in the Google Chrome app on your Android device. Step 2. Hold a finger against the Switch tab icon, which looks like a square with a number in it. A menu opens. Step 3. Tap Close Tab. That specific browser tab will be closed immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.